Today we are going to tell you how the Pair Trade Analyzer software works. Pair Trade Analyzer is a software application developed by ITG Informatics Hyderabad. This software gives you, it analyzes all the pairs which are there in NSE, all the stocks which are there in NSE, and gives you the stocks on which you can bet. I mean, which stock you need to buy, which stock you need to sell. So this is how I'll show you how this software works. Just you need, once you download the software application from the website, you need to put your login ID and password, and then once you log in, so this is the results calendar wherein we are showing all the results of the stocks which are going to be announced in near future. It's always better to avoid these stocks on these days. Okay, and then this is the main page. EOD is end of the day, so we'll be getting this data from NSE. So our software application analyzes all those stocks which are there in NSE and it gives us pairs on the basis of uh, price spread, price ratio, as well as correlation. You can see the settings here. This is the sectors page wherein you can select whatever the sectors you want to trade. Like you have cements, index, banking, textiles, etc. You need to select it and then click on submit. Then you will be getting the pairs. And apart from this, you have to select here L1, L2, L3 is there. It's better you go for L2, and the minimum correlation is 60, and days to calculate standard deviation is 20 days. However, depending upon your experience, you can take days like 45 days, 70 days, or 75 days. Even you can go for L3, or correlation also you can keep on increasing from 60 to 90. Okay, let's see one of the pairs. For example, we got a pair of 7th dated, like we have a pair from it's Bank of India and Federal Bank. So here the correlation is 84.18. So if the correlation is nearby 100, it's stronger compared to the pair where correlation is farther from the 100. For example, 60.79 is less stronger than 84.18. And the same way in when you see co-integration, the more it is nearer to 0, the stronger is the pair. For example, 0.10, this one is stronger than 0.96. Okay, now we have two results which you are coming with price spread is saying sell, price ratio is sell. So it means you need to sell the first stock like Adani Ports, you need to sell, and you need to buy BHEL. In the same way, when it is saying buy, you need to buy Biocon and you need to sell Torrent Pharma. Okay, and this is sector wise. You have from the same sectors IT and IT, chemicals and chemicals, and pharma. And then we have a spread date, the day when the signal has come. For example, you always go for the latest dated signal, which is of the last working day. So the last working day was 7th April 2017. So this is the one which is the latest stock. Okay, and then you have for example, this is the back test from here. S trade means the number of trades happened in the last 2 years with spread. So here in this case you have 7 trades happened, and this is S profit means whether the trade is in profit or loss. So in our case this trade is in a profit of 36,550. S average days means spread average days, how many days a trade happened lasted. For example, here on an average a trade lasted for 3.71 days. So S maximum profit in a trade, the maximum profit, and S maximum loss is in a trade, the maximum loss in a particular trade. In the same way, for ratio, the 11 days, then whether this is in profit or loss, the number of days the trade happened, the maximum profit, the maximum loss. Once this is done, you need to double click on a pair. Then you will go inside the pair wherein you will see the graphical representation. This one is normalized prices, like blue color line is for IOSC and red color line is for Reliance. Okay, and you have to go with price spread with levels. Then you will see a graph like this, wherein you can see. So when we have taken L2, L2 means this blue color line is our stop, so it has to cross level 2 and then again it has to come back. When it is coming back, that is the time when our software gives a signal, like whenever the stock is below mean, this is red color line is the mean, so whenever the stock is below mean, you need to buy the first stock. Whenever the blue color line is above mean and above red, the first stock you need to sell it. Okay, and then you have the LTP prices here of both the stocks. Then the signal as per price spread as well as price ratio, the lot size as per NSE, and in pair trading means it is mostly used for hedging. So in case the prices are not matching, the software, it will give the quantities so that the price will be matching. For example, if IOC is costing 1 lakh, Reliance should also be nearby 1 lakh. So that is the reason you have quantity into 2 and 3. And we have cash neutrality, the investment, co-integration and confidence. So by 9:30, this is our calculator. Calculator will start functioning. Okay. Before entering the trade, it is always better you just click on the calculator and see how the trade is moving. If you have any confusion whether to buy or sell, just you can confirm from here. IOC is to buy, Reliance is to sell. Just submit it and then you can see both the stocks are moving positively. So whatever the stocks we are buying, its price should increase. Whatever the stocks we are selling, its price should decrease. So it is a perfect pair wherein we have brought IOC, its price is increasing. We sold a Reliance, its price is decreasing, wherein we are getting a net profit. You can see the profit here. Okay, just close it. And if for example, if you don't want to enter in real-time trade, you want to see or you want to do paper trading, then you need to click on add to VT. Add to VT means virtual trade, wherein you get data from NSE, but the thing is that you are not investing any real-time money. Okay, just click on submit and the pair is added successfully to virtual trade. When you go to virtual trade, you'll be getting a 5-minute delay data from NSE and the LTP will keep on changing, and you can see whether the pair is moving in profit or it is moving in loss. Okay, since the data it is getting collected, we'll go to the back test. We'll check back test. So we have, when we add any pair to the virtual trades, it will come to here and you can see whenever we are adding, it will come with a date and then the time when we added the pair, the prices of the pair, the lot size, then you have the quantity, then the total investment, and you have the price ratio, price spread, LTP will be coming. So this LTP will keep on changing because we are getting a live data from NSE, and it will show you whether the pair is in profit, whether it is in loss. For example, this IOC and Reliance pair, it is in a profit of 13,800 as of now, and we added in the morning. And if you want to see an old pair, for example, if you see this is an old pair which was added on 31st March 2017 of Bank Nifty and Nifty, you can go to the show log and see what has happened. So we have added this pair on 31st March. Okay, the first day we got a profit of 14,150, the second day we got a loss of 5,050, then on third day we got a profit of it's 1,38,650, and then like this you can keep on checking for day wise you can check and close it. And for example, if you want to remove any of the pair, once you want to exit from virtual trade, just you need to, here you can see it, exit VT. So you just click on exit VT, it will come down. If you want to remove permanently the pair, just you click on remove and it will be over. And one more thing, you can just whatever pairs you have added in virtual trade, you can just download through Excel also. You will have you can just download it and save, and you can see the action with day wise. Okay, and now we'll show you how to use backtest. Click on backtest. For example, you saw a pair, you somebody gave you a tip that this one pair is there which will move very perfectly this day, or you want to see how that pair is moving, just you go and select symbol one. For example, I show you HDFC and HDFC Bank. Like we have taken HDFC, okay, from drop down HDFC, and again click H, and you have HDFC Bank, and then click on backtest. So we'll be getting like data like this. Then show log, so it says that backtest data is not available for selected pair. Okay, no issues. So we'll check some other pair like HDFC Bank and uh, yes, okay, just click on. Ready? So you will be getting the 2 years. By default, system will take 2 years data, but if you want, the system has 10 years data. You can check if you want for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, till 10 years you can check the data. And here also you need to put the statistics like L1, L2, L3 is there. You need to click on L2. Whatever you have put in EOD, the same thing should be repeated here. L2, then correlation should be 60, and days to calculate standard deviation, it should be 20. Okay, and you need to put commission per trade. By default, you can take 300 rupees, and you can also input stop loss, which is 10, which is in rupees, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, how much you can bear. And you can also use whether you want to check that trade using price spread or you want to check with price ratio. Just click on like this, ratio and spread. And if you want, for example, you want to use lot sizes, you have to click here. And but if you want to use cash, then just click on use cash allotment, and you can put 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, whatever amount you want to put, you can put it. Okay, and once this is done, just click on show log. It will show you 2 years backtest data for HDFC Bank. It says buy HDFC Bank and sell HDFC. The trade started on 26 June 2015 and lasted till 8 July 2015. So holding period is 12 days. It ended in a profit of 325 days. The second trade started on 13 July 2015, lasted till 15 July 2015. It was there for 2 days and with a profit of 15,350. Like that, you can see 2 years data. Okay. The last trade which started on 30th March 2017, and it's still in trade. So whenever the trade the pair is in trade, you will get a signal like this, in trade. In trade means it's still in trade, the trade has not closed. So like that you can use pair trade analyzer. So first EOD, then virtual trade, then backtest. Again for your mind fresh up, just you need to remember the settings. Like you need to take L2, number of days to calculate standard deviation should be 20. Okay, you can check the signal. This is the result from the same sector. If you remove this, click here, you can see results as per spread and results as per ratio also. And we have given the facility for you to download the entire trades in Excel sheet. You can just save it and you can keep it for future references. And for example, you can put search also here. So this one, this white, the blank is there. You can search whatever pairs you want, like IOC. If I click, so the pairs, whatever pairs IOC is having, it will come here. You can see this IOC and sale, IOC and JSW Energy, and then IOC and LNT. So this is how you can use pair trade analyzer. It's in a profit of 86,250 today. Okay, if you have any queries, you can just log on to our website www.paytradanalyzer.com and you can send your queries to us, or you can just mail us on info@paytradanalyzer.com, info at paytradanalyser.com. Thank you.